In this video, we show how to replace a heatsink and processor on a PowerEdge R7725XD. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover and air shroud removed from the system, to remove a heatsink, loosen the captive screws in reverse numerical order, starting with 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. With the captive screws loosened, lift the heatsink up and out of the system. To remove the processor, loosen the captive screw securing the retention rail frame in place. Then lift up on the frame. Then lift up on the two blue tabs securing the processor socket rail frame in place. And then slide the carrier frame out. To install the processor, slide the processor carrier into the processor socket rail frame all the way down, and then press down on the blue clips, put it in place, and then lower the retention frame down and then tighten the captive screw to secure the retention frame in place. To install a heatsink, if you get a new heatsink, it will come pre-applied with thermal paste. Otherwise, add a spiral of thermal paste to the processor. Tighten the 6 captive screws in numerical order, starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. For more information about the PowerEdge R7725XD, visit dell.com/support.